What if I told you? There's a lake that can make dead animals look like stone. Sounds impossible, but it's real. This is Lake Natron in Tanzania, one of the strangest lakes on Earth. Its water is extremely alkaline and can become very hot. Animals that die in the lake can be naturally preserved, making them look like stone statues. But here's the surprising part. Flamingos have adapted to these harsh conditions and use the lake as an important breeding ground. Would you visit Lake Natron? Comment yes or no, and follow for more amazing facts.